here to show you my new design team package. This is for Country Craft Creations. The brand for this paper collection is Cartabella, and the name of it is Just Because. And this is the first thing that you're seeing here is the chipboard. They're stickers, they're stickers, but they're really nice and thick. And there's a variety. This is like a real fun spring collection. There's some cute things, and then like rabbits and the rainbow and things like that. But the flowers, the words, those can be more for an adult type of book if you're making one. So I just thought I'd show you this one first, and then I'll get into the collection. So this is the border paper, so you can cut these into strips and use them as borders or as belly bands or whatever you need them for, but it's nice that they have different widths as you go. And then on the other side, you have a green, real bright green color. This is the B side. This is the A side. So the cute rainbows and the sunshine and the clouds and the flowers. That would be the B side. Then more flowers. This is just a really happy collection, just because. On the other side, you have more of a peach color, and there's little white polka dots on there. The bumblebees and butterflies. There's some little flowers on there. We've got pink with just a real subtle dot pattern in the back. Flowers on one side, stripe on the other side. This one is a little bit larger flower. And then we have a brown on the back in case you want to do a garden type scene, and you could use the brown on the bottom. Some clouds, a real pretty stripe, a real thick stripe, yellow with an orangish color polka dot. This is cute. This has different signs. You could fussy cut these and use them as decorations and embellishments also. I really like the bigger polka dot. The bird houses. The heart opening, the birds singing, a wood grain, but it's a purple color. And then the seed packets. I think this is really cute. Again, you could fussy cut this one too. And then you have flowers on the other side in a monotone, like different pinks. I also got a piece of the My Colors cardstock. This is Sky, so you can see how well that matches. And this is a shimmer. This one is called, I don't have my glasses on, Frosty Pink. And you can see how well that goes also. The 12 by 12 chipboard that's sold at the store is a real nice weight for mini albums. I have two 12 by 12s here. I have some ribbon that's going to look really pretty with this. Let me get one of the papers. Let's see here. It just matches perfectly. Let's see if I can get one with more green. Let's see. Well, this is the rainbows. No. Well, let's just do the stripe. Look, looks like it's just part of the paper. Perfect match. Let me get a flower one. Here we go. Yeah, that's really cute. That's going to be cute together. So I got a yard of this, and I will link all of the materials that I'm showing you down at the bottom in the description box so that you can head over to Country Craft Creations and find it. Along with that, I got the birdhouse chipboard. It's a 3-dimensional sticker. I love 3-dimensional things. And also there is a package of ephemera, and I'll take this out and show you. I think it's, you know, I could show you the back page, but it's easier if I just take it out and show you. There are quite a few pieces here. Some small, some large. Just kind of lay them out a little bit. How cute is that bunny on the bike? So yeah, there's some adorable ones. These are great to decorate with. You can put them on, whoops, upside down. You can put them on chipboard and make them stand up. You can use foam tape. You can layer with these. So you can see there's just a big variety. Lots of flowers, bows, butterflies, mailbox. How many pieces are in here? It's like forever. Doesn't 73 pieces. That's a lot of ephemera. All right, well, there's a general idea for you. So I will be making a project with this, probably a couple projects. The tutorials that we show here on YouTube for Country Craft Creations are always free. So just get a piece of paper when you watch them, write down the measurements and watch the procedures, and you're going to have a nice album when you're done. So this is, again, a design team project, and the kit is from Carta Bella. It's called Just Because, and you can order it from Country Craft Creations.